YouTube tonight. Ambulance. And you see that big truck right there? Yeah. It hit that car. And then it hit that car.
Man, don't get.
And then it hit that blue car. It hit so many cars it makes no sense.
Look at the truck right there. Trying
Yes.
to gag in.
I don't think this lady right.
I want to see what the front end of that truck was like.
Drinking coffee. Look at
Look at the
him.
ambulance.
He's just in there drinking the coffee and watching this.
Look at the ambulance.
Who does not want to watch this?
That ambulance go.
He tagged 3 of them.
Didn't nobody get hurt.
Yes, it is. The ambulance just
The
left.
ambulance just left though.
The ambulance just left. That was speeding like crazy.
Say
There you
be
go.
quiet.
He just
That's
tried.
the fire truck.
Listen to that Freelander do.
Look at the fire truck. Alright. I'm just trying to wait. I can get a better view like this.
Listen to that Freelander.
Alright. This truck. Yeah, we're gonna drop you off. We're gonna come right back.